Greetings to one and all. In this video, we are going to see about MSME. So this video has been prepared on behalf of Placement Cell, Government College of Engineering, Bargur. MSME stands for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. There is a ministry under Government of India which foresees all these MSME related works, that is Ministry of MSME. In 2006, a Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act has been enacted, and as per that act, these MSMEs are classified into two classes. One is manufacturing enterprises and another one is service enterprises. As per Government of India, these enterprises are classified into two classes. One is manufacturing enterprises, another one is service enterprises. Suppose if you are starting an enterprise, and if your enterprise is engaged in producing or employing a plant or machinery in which adds a value to the final product. That is, either your enterprise can produce a new product itself, or your enterprise can produce a part of the product. When you supply it to the final product, it adds certain value to the product. So if your enterprise is one of such kind, then it is classified as a manufacturing enterprise. And the other kind is service enterprise. So those enterprises which engaged in providing or rendering the services, let us say like reworking or reconditioning a product or a customer care services, such that all those services, if your enterprises is doing that kind of work, then it will be labeled as service enterprises. So your enterprise might be of any kind, but it will be put into either manufacturing enterprise and service enterprises. So depending upon whether your enterprise is a manufacturing enterprise or a service enterprise, there is a criteria which says that whether an enterprise will be classified as a micro enterprise or small enterprise or medium enterprise. Suppose if you are having a manufacturing enterprise, and if the investment for the enterprise is less than 25 lakhs, then your enterprise will be termed as a micro enterprise. Suppose if your manufacturing enterprise has an investment between 25 lakhs to 5 crore, then your enterprise will be termed as a small enterprise. Suppose if your manufacturing enterprise has an investment between 5 crore to 10 crore, not exceeding 10 crore, then your enterprise will be a medium enterprise. Similarly, a service enterprise also has been classified based on its investment. Suppose if your service enterprise has an investment of less than 10 lakhs, then your service enterprise will be placed under micro enterprise. Suppose if your service enterprise has an investment between 10 lakhs to 2 crore, then the enterprise will be termed as a small enterprise. Suppose if your service enterprise has an investment between 2 crore to 5 crore, then the enterprise will be termed as a medium enterprise. So for these things, the Government of India earlier classified those enterprises into manufacturing and service enterprises. And now there is a revised MSME classification. As per that classification, what Government of India has done is they have merged both service and manufacturing enterprises. There will not be any distinction between these two enterprises, whereas the criteria to classify this enterprise will be based on two parameters. One is investment, another one is turnover. Suppose if your investment for an enterprise is less than 1 crore and your annual turnover is less than 5 crore, then the enterprise will be termed as micro enterprise. But if your investment is between 1 crore to 10 crore and the turnover will be between is between 5 crore to 50 crore, then the enterprise will be termed as small enterprise. Suppose if your investment is between 10 crore to 20 crore and the turnover is between 50 crore to 100 crore, then the enterprise, either it can be manufacturing sector or in the service sector, it will be termed as medium enterprises. So if you are going to be an entrepreneur, this is the first step which you should know, like what is the investment or how much is the investment I'm going to make, and what will be the expected turnover, and based on that, what is the criteria or what is the group under which your enterprise will be placed. So all these enterprise classification is to, like, now and then Government of India will provide you with certain reliefs and benefits and certain tax exemptions based on whether your enterprise is a micro enterprise or small enterprise and medium enterprise. So all these things will be useful when if you are going to see on further how to start an enterprise and all other things. And we hope that this piece of information will be helpful for you to be a successful entrepreneur. Thank you.